right, so special thanks to this company for sending me their 3-in-1 fast wireless charger. So you can see here on the front, it's 3-in-1, as in you can charge AirPods, an Apple Watch, and an iPhone at the same time. It has overload protection, and it's 15-watt wireless charger. Pretty fast. This side just shows fast charging, magnetic charging, smart control, and safety convenient. Just a picture of it on the back, and basically the same thing there. The output power, phone 15 watt, wireless earbuds 5 watts, iWatch 3 watts. Nothing on the bottom, and just their sticker on top. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Nice little packaging. Okay, well, that's it for the box. So we have an included USB Type-C cable here. Looks pretty nice, feels nice, and included, pretty nice. Wow, I like the red. So we have a wall charger here to plug this in to power it. We have a full instruction guide with all the details of everything about this. It even lists the phones and watches and everything. Pretty cool. And most importantly, the actual item itself. Now I love how small it is. It seems very portable. Your USB-C cable plugs in right here on the back, and then that's where you're able to open that up to put your Apple Watch, and you're able to pull this one forward like so to put your iPhone, and then your AirPods fit right there and charge up. I think that's pretty nice and helpful, I think. I'm not entirely certain what this button does, but there's a button. I want to know now. Light switch button. So there must be a light, and that button controls its on and offness. But this is the device itself. As you can see, fold it all up, fits into the palm of my hand, basically a little bigger than like a Coke bottle, but would be very convenient if you plug this in and then throw your Apple Watch on, throw on your iPhone, and throw on your AirPods. You'd have everything charging at one time with one cable and one power brick. So that's pretty helpful. I really like the design of this though, and I think that will do it for this 3-in-1 fast wireless charger unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.